Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be repotting this fig. I'm not entirely sure what variety it is, but we'll see once the leaves come out. So sit back, relax and we'll crack on. So the first thing we need to do is to get it out of the pot. It's been in there for a while and it looks like it's well established inside the pot. We just need to get it out and check the roots. As you can see, there's plenty of other growth at the base of the tree, lots of weeds and bits of moss and various seeds popping up. I haven't got a clue what they are, so we'll just get rid of those first before we start raking off the soil. So I haven't actually got a root rake. I'm going to use the next best thing, which is a bent fork, raking radially away from the base of the trunk. So this took quite a while and I will just speed you through it. So now I've raked all the soil away, I'm just going to untangle this mass of roots to see what we're working with. Now the roots are all untangled, it's time to prepare the pot. So I'm going to cut down the original pot to get a nice shallow pot to put it in. Now it's time to measure and cut the scrim tape that I'm using as drainage screen. With that done, it's now time to put some bonsai soil in and to put the fig into this pot. You can see here I'm trying to fit a piece of slate into the base of the tree. This is just to encourage some root flare as it grows. Now it's in the position that I want it in, it's time to fill the rest of the pot up with more bonsai soil. Now using the chopstick, it's time to poke the soil down between the roots to try and get rid of any air pockets that might be there. Next is we just top dress it with some moss to retain moisture. And lastly, we give it a water and leave it for a few years to see how it goes. So there we go, guys. One fig tree repotted and ready to go outside for the spring. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and a share, maybe even drop me a comment, and I will catch you in the next one.